too much of smell of chlorine was. We found there is a company called EcoTec. If you are delaying installing a STP plant from EcoTec, you are missing. Hi everyone, welcome to Chettinad Greenville. It's located in Perumbakkam. Here a community of 62 villas roughly, and out of that 58 constructions have been completed by 2012. And since then we had a primitive kind of SBR, chemically treated. So that plant we suffered during 2015 thunderstorm. The entire plant fell down because of corrosions, chemical handling, and too much of smell of chlorine was also felt in the community. So some of the drawbacks of this, and a man has to be available throughout 24 hours coverage to maintain the plant. And electricity consumption was also a bit high. So these were some of the reasons that initiated Chettinad Greenville to look for alternatives. By Googling, we found there is a company called EcoTec who is rendering a SBR technology, the same one that we had before. So we understand the SBR technology much better, but this technology came a bit different. It did not use any chemical, and with the help of a blower, the transfer of wastewater, the clarified water, treated water separating out from the aeration tank, all this were achieved. So we felt that it could be more advantageous in reducing the number of assets in terms of maintenance, the overall cost of operation. Right from the discussion day one, we were only talking about the need, the technology, how the processing will happen, what is the capacity requirements, but the cost came much later. The EcoTec side also, they did not start initiating on the cost aspects first. They said, you are sitting with your problem, now it's our turn to give you a help, but not in terms of cost that should be driven. It should be a technology-based solution for you guys. So that was the approach of Mr. Kannan. That was appreciated by everyone from our association. Successfully, today we are sitting with a plant for more than 10 years. No, it doesn't require any operator to be dedicatedly available. It's only seldom when the plant stops or whether it's running or not running, it gives an indication and somebody has to monitor it and record it. There is no chronic issues. Only when the life of the components finish, like say 2 years or 7 years, then there is a planned maintenance to be done. That is common with any components that we put for STP application. For Chettinad Greenville, we are using it for the garden. You can see the greenery around the community that has come out of this water. We have got a AMC contract with EcoTec, and they send their technicians periodically. So on call also they make visits. Like if you are having a problem, the plant is not running, within 24 hours we get their assistance. That is the salient features of this particular vendor, EcoTec. It's a strong statement from our side that if you are delaying installing a SBR technology-based STP plant from EcoTec, you are missing something. You are incurring cost. You are not environment friendly.